Jacqueline Davis, and if you came across this video, you are looking for a way to make some money with no investment. Well, guess what? On this video, I'm going to share with you an app that is paying you now while they're in pre-launch just to bring in others. And when it launch, there's more money to be made. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so this app is called Klippit, and they are in pre-launch and they haven't launched just yet, but guys, you can start making money as soon as today. Now, all you have to do is just share this app with a lot of people, just bringing them in for free, and you're going to earn. Now, if you want to earn your first dollar, all you have to do is click that description below, grab that code, download this app, and place the code there and earn your first dollar. Now, after you have done that, you can basically grab your referral link and start sharing it with other people. They are paying you $1 per person that comes in until they launch, okay? And when they launch, you are able to turn your selfie into savings, okay? Discover, find great deals on all the best stuff you eat, see, and do near you around the world. And then all you have to do is just post, save, and earn. Save up to 90% on things you need every day just by posting or sharing. Get paid when you shop and dine at the places you visit every week. So if you go shopping and you shop at a place or you buy food at a restaurant, snap it up, post it, and get paid. Then also, you also have an opportunity to become an influencer for Klippit. And basically how that work is, you get paid when your followers shop and dine at the place you post. So if you bring a lot of people in pre-launch and they're already going to be following you, when you start snapping different things and posting it, and they see that, oh yeah, that looks good, oh yeah, that's amazing, they go and do it too. They go get the, go shop where you shop or got the meal that you purchased, and they post, guess what? You are getting paid. They're going to pay you 2 times the amount. Now, when you get 10 people to sign up through pre-launch, you're actually going to become a permanent influencer, meaning that you're going to be paid now not only $1 but $2 per person, along with what you're doing on this app every day. So this is a chance where you can make passive income and just continue to keep making it, because the more you share it, the more you're going to earn. And the best thing about it, like I said, guys, it is free. You do not have to put a dime into this. You are making money, zero investment, okay? Now, if you come over here, I'm going to show you exactly what you would do to become an influencer, okay? Now, a verified influencer receive higher commission payout. Now, all you have to do is just use your unique code and share it to at least 10 people, okay? 10 friends, 10 people. Once they have downloaded this app and use your code, you are now able to earn up to $2 per person. Now, down the line, you never know when they might up the price. So it's best to go ahead and get started with this, because you don't want to miss out, okay? Like them, you can subscribe to them. They have an Instagram page, a Facebook page, a YouTube page. Go ahead and subscribe to those things until you can stay updated to all the information and updates that they have that we'll be sharing with you guys, and then become an influencer for Klippit and just start earning money all the way around. So if you have not got this link and you have not downloaded this app, go ahead and look in that description. Go ahead and click on the link, download the app, place that code in, and get your first dollar, and then get out there and start sharing, because this is going to blow up. It's like a cash back deal, and you definitely don't want to miss it. It's just about to launch, and I don't want you guys to miss out and say I did not know, but I'm sharing with you guys. So until next time, guys, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like this video and share it, and comment below, because remember, I'm going to be sharing a lot more than just this one app. I have so many ways of making money that I have personally earned myself I'm going to be sharing it with you guys because I want you guys to see how amazing it is to make money with zero investment. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I look forward to sharing more. Bye for now.